Junior, have you ever seen one of these before? Oh, we have. Yeah. I don't think.
CSX
GP40-2. The 6470. We do have a GP40-8 scale, the GP40-2, the 6211. I don't think we don't have that many of these.
Yeah.
I don't think we do have the wind trains and transformers, but we donated them because we don't use them no more. But we still use them. We're gonna like them. No wonder it says CSX. There's some tank cars. And this morning we did saw the inner models.
We're gonna be playing a new game called Let's Squish the Smurfs until all you Smurfs are squashed. Ah! That doesn't sound like a fun.
Oh wait, we'll get there.
Which Smurfs movie is it? Heard. That doesn't sound like a fun game from.
Did somebody say Ron?
Let that sink in. Mix 95.1. We've got today's best music. We've lined up another long mix.
How is Ron their third Ron?
Just a few minutes. And Brenna Simmons is a cheerleader at GA, and she is.
Oh, did you see all of that? That is Rocco. I knew it.
On Monday around 7:15. So get yours in.
Wait, we'll get there because it's really not hurting.
Community events or just
What the fuck is doing? Why didn't you just stop him?
No matter where summer takes you, you've got care anywhere with WellSpan. Anywhere? Your care anywhere.
How does he go through there? Oh man, we're never gonna go that way ever again. Oh no. Oh yeah, it is gonna get. See that?
Anywhere.